Alright, here we go. Welcome to the Stone Cook. Today we are going to do some meatballs for you. So what we're going to need a small or half yellow onion here. If you only got medium or large, use half, just over half. You're going to have 1 egg we're going to beat up. You're going to have 6 tablespoons or 1/3 cup plus a tablespoon of breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon of minced garlic, tablespoon of Italian, tablespoon of parsley, tablespoon of basil, tablespoon of pepper. Then we're going to use salt as needed. And for this mixture we are doing Wagyu beef and veal. I got half a pound of each to equal 1 pound. So what we're going to do is first we're going to get this onion. We're going to dice this sucker up real quick. Nice quick dice. It's real easy, dice it here. And there we go. Gonna take that, we're gonna throw that in here. Alright. Throw that in there real quick. And we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take this egg, we're gonna crack it. Gonna dump it in, throw that away, and we're gonna beat it real quick. This is a real quick beating egg. Get it all mixed up in there. Gonna pour that sucker right in there too. And all we're gonna do, we're just gonna add all this in here. And before you start doing this, I do have the oven preheating. I got it on high broil, which is 500 degrees or so. And that's because it will not take that long for these to cook. Then we like a little bit of salt, not too much. So we'll do this. Give it a nice coating. And bam, there you go. See, then we're just gonna mix this all together. Get it all clumped in there for you. And you're just gonna mix this until it's all combined. Okay. That's all we're doing, is combining all this stuff together. Alright, here we go. I got this all mixed up, cleaned up a little bit here, because what we're gonna do is you're gonna want to put these in balls. There's a few ways you can do this. You can just grab it out and do it, you know, like this with your hand. Or you can use a small ice cream scoop. Do that. The small ice cream scoop will make them more universal. And that's all you're gonna do, sit there and mince them up like this. There you go. We're gonna do this until this mixture is all done. So we'll return when that happens. Alright, welcome back again. Now while we're waiting for the oven to warm up, we're gonna measure out our spaghetti. Now to measure out spaghetti, there's a few different ways you can do it. One is this little hole in the spoon. That is 1 serving. That is what that's for. It's that or about 1 inch diameter. All you do is shove it in there, and there you go. That's a serving right there. So there's 4 of us, so we're going to do 4 of those. So it's about 1 inch diameter. There's 2. And that's going to make it about 4. So we're just going to put this in the water I got boiling already. Some nice salt water boiling. And what you do is you want to fan it out when you put it in there. And that happens if you're not careful like I was. Just fan it out like that. It helps it cook faster. And you just do it like that and it will cook down. Alright, here we are. We're just going to put these in. Like I said, I got it pre-warmed here for broil, which is around 500 degrees. We're going to leave them in there for about 15 minutes on that side. Then we're going to turn them. We're going to cook them for about another 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So we'll see you in about 15 minutes to turn these suckers. Alright, here we are. We got our tongs. We're going to need those because these suckers are going to be hot. Let's reach up in here, pull them out real quick. I guess that'll have to work. We're just gonna give them a quick flippity flop. Just like that, okay? This is gonna help cook in the rest of the way. So we're only gonna do this for about 5 more minutes and these will be done. The spaghetti should be done right about then. So we'll be a-okay to go and put these suckers in there and mix it all together. There we go. There you go, said about 5 minutes in there just like that. Alright, the meatballs are done. They're just, I got the oven off. The spaghetti's done. There's a few ways you can test it. I like the fork method. Just get a couple pieces, swing it around the fork. What you're looking for is the bend right here, how it bends like that. That means it's done. It bends all the way. Just like that, it's done. That's what we want. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna drain this. We're gonna put the meatballs in, we're gonna put the marinara in. It's a store-bought marinara this time. Alright, so we'll see you in just a minute. Alright, so here we are, we got our meatballs out. Said this is a simple store-bought sauce. All we do is we pour this right in there. Let's pour the whole thing in there. We're gonna mix this up just real quick. Alright, and then all we're going to do is we're just going to plate this stuff. Just like that. Looks nice and good. Sauce everywhere. There you go. See, that's an inch right there. That's how much it makes. And just put however many of these you want on there. Let's just do 4 because it makes it look pretty right now. And there you go. You can put some Parmesan cheese on there. Nice 3 cheese blend of Asiago, Parmesan, and mozzarella does really good on it. Have a grooving time. This has been the Stone Cook. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Please recommend, and have a good night.